In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vector art in Wix. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's visual appeal or personalize your online space with unique graphics, vector art can be a fantastic addition. Not only does it add a touch of creativity, but it also scales beautifully without losing quality. Let's dive into the process, which is simple and can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to your website's dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Edit Site to enter the Wix editor, which is an intuitive space where you can make changes to your website. Now that you're in the editor, navigate to the page where you want to add your vector art. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see a panel filled with different options. Click on Media. This is your gateway to introducing new elements to your site. The next step is to choose Upload Media. Go ahead and click on it, which should prompt a window where you can select files from your computer. It's crucial here to pick your SVG file, the scalable vector graphic format, which is ideal for web use thanks to its lossless scalability. Once you've selected your file, click to upload it into Wix. After the upload is complete, you will find your file under My Uploads. Here, you can see all the media files you've uploaded to Wix. Find your SVG file, select it, and then simply drag and drop it to the desired location on your page. It's as easy as that. Once your artwork is in place, Wix may automatically classify your SVG as either a basic shape or a vector art element. This is important because if it's recognized as a vector art element, you have more flexibility in customization. To do this, click on the design icon that appears when your element is selected. This will allow you to adjust various settings like colors, opacity, and even add or tweak shadows to better match your website's aesthetics. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design and placement, it's time to see your changes in action. Click on Preview to view a live version of your site with the newly added vector art. If everything looks as you envisioned, the last step is to click Publish, and your site will be updated with your new creative touch. And there you have it. Adding vector art to your Wix website is straightforward and offers endless possibilities for making your site stand out. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Happy designing!